All right, folks. I don't know what to say other than I told you so. And I don't want to keep saying that from here on out. So let me just get that out of the way. But yeah, tariffs were at least headed into a recession, if not a depression. And folks, I made multiple videos trying to explain this to you guys. Thank you for the guys who have subscribed and you've listened, because I can tell some of you are getting really into this. You're getting prepared. You got some good questions. But I've been here since the end of the pandemic trying to warn you guys of the shit that's about to hit the fan. It's everybody was like, "Oh, we're done here." No, we're not done here. I warned you about the tariffs. I tried to explain them to you, how we're about to get screwed, and now you all see it. So go check out those videos. Lots of great information on the warning signs of a depression, recession, what to do, how to get through it, the skills, financial advice. Folks, I'm not just pulling this stuff out of my rear either. I follow my own advice. I just bought my second property, not just a year or two ago. Well, second house, over $300,000. I'm retired. I got a family of 4. If I can do it, you can do it. You can get through this. I got through the pandemic, no problem. People thought I was like Chicken Little, the sky is falling. Nope. There's a lot of things you can do to be proactive when you know shit's coming. Shit's about to get tough. What did they tell us in the military? You got to adapt or you're dead. It's that simple. I mean, I don't want to be that graphic, but for us, if we can do something to help the situation out, why not do it, folks? So I'll quit yapping. I got another great video for you guys to watch. Again, please take the advice. It may seem very small or, like not a big deal, like, cut down on your bills, your expenses. That's a big deal. If you can go through your expenses and cut some things out, you're going to save some money, put that money towards investing of, I don't know, stocks, bonds, whatever, or food. Folks, you got to be prepared. You know it's coming. We all see it. I was right. Just had to get that out of the way. So subscribe, comment below, and share this important information. And go check out all those other videos we made. For the last 2-3 months, I've been just pumping videos out on what to do, how to get through this shit. Go watch them. Got your 6.
In times of uncertainty, it's crucial to prepare for tough economic periods. Whether it's a looming depression, economic hardship, or unexpected events, being proactive can make all the difference for you and your family. Today, we'll guide you through essential strategies to safeguard your finances, build resilience, and navigate through challenging times with confidence. Let's dive into financial preparation. One of the most crucial steps is building an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This financial cushion will serve as your safety net during unexpected events like job loss or economic downturns. Start small, but stay consistent and watch your fund grow over time. Next, let's tackle cutting down on non-essential spending. Start by thoroughly evaluating your monthly expenses. Prioritize your needs over your wants. Consider reducing high-interest debt, like credit cards, as a top priority. Remember, the longer you hold on to such debt, the more it can erode your financial stability. By making these adjustments, you'll be better positioned to secure your financial future. Diversify your investments to safeguard your future. Explore stable, less volatile assets like precious metals, bonds, or real estate. Additionally, consider stockpiling essential items, food, water, and medicine. These could become scarce or expensive during tough times, ensuring you're prepared for any economic downturn. Imagine a scenario where money loses its value. Investing in barterable goods becomes crucial. Stock up on essentials like canned food, blankets, tools, and fuel. These items can be traded for other necessities, ensuring you and your family thrive even in tough times. Skills are your next asset. Practical skills make you more self-sufficient and resilient. Start by learning basic survival skills like gardening or farming. If food prices spike or the supply chain gets disrupted, you'll have the ability to grow your own food. Additionally, consider learning skills like basic repairs, sewing, and first aid. These can save you money and make you invaluable in your community. Discover the secrets to effective food storage. Canning, dehydrating, and other preservation techniques can ensure you have a long-lasting supply. Gain confidence in basic home repairs, whether it's plumbing, electrical work, or carpentry. These skills will empower you to tackle emergencies without needing a professional. Mastering first aid and emergency medical skills is crucial. Techniques like CPR, wound care, and using an AED can save lives. Equip yourself with these essential skills to be prepared for any situation. Effective financial management is key to thriving in uncertain times. Start by creating a detailed budget, and look for ways to save money through DIY projects. Reducing energy consumption can also lead to significant savings. Additionally, familiarize yourself with digital currencies like cryptocurrency, as they can offer alternatives if traditional financial systems face disruptions. Stay informed and proactive to ensure your financial self-sufficiency. Self-sufficiency is key. Mastering home skills like sewing, knitting, and appliance repair can save you money and make you more resilient. Learn to cook and preserve your own food to ensure you always have nutritious options. Avoid reliance on pre-made products that could become scarce or expensive. These skills not only save money but also provide a sense of accomplishment and independence. Physical and mental health are crucial during hard times. Stay fit through regular exercise. Endurance, strength, and flexibility will help you handle physical tasks and manage stress. Incorporate activities like jogging, weightlifting, and yoga into your routine. Learn to manage stress effectively. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or journaling. These techniques can help you stay calm, focused, and resilient during tough situations. Remember, a healthy body supports a healthy mind and vice versa. Strong community connections are your lifeline in challenging times. Cultivate relationships with your neighbors, friends, and local groups. These bonds will be invaluable when cooperation and mutual aid become essential. Additionally, diversifying your income streams can bolster your financial resilience. Explore freelancing or remote work opportunities if you possess marketable skills like writing, design, or programming. This proactive approach can provide a safety net and open new doors for growth. Dive into the world of local barter systems and skill-sharing groups. By volunteering and joining mutual aid networks, you ensure a safety net of support. Explore side businesses or sell your unique goods online through platforms like eBay or Etsy. These steps not only boost your economic resilience, but also foster community connections. Taking practical steps can make a world of difference. Consider downsizing your living situation to save on costs and reduce consumption. Plan for self-sufficiency by growing your own food or setting up alternative energy sources like solar panels. Engage your family in creating an emergency plan. Ensure everyone knows how to access financial resources, communicate effectively, and respond in case of an emergency. These steps not only prepare you for economic challenges, but also foster a resilient and united family. Teach your children about resourcefulness, problem solving, and staying calm under pressure. These skills will help them navigate challenges and thrive in any situation. In these unpredictable times, being prepared goes beyond mere survival. It's about thriving and flourishing. Focus on building your self-sufficiency, enhancing your financial stability, and nurturing your emotional resilience. Strengthen your community connections, acquire new skills, and stay ready for any challenges the future may bring. While we can't foresee every twist and turn, taking proactive steps now will empower you to navigate and weather any storm with confidence. Remember, preparedness is the key to not just surviving, but truly thriving. Start preparing today for a more secure and prosperous tomorrow. Your future self will thank you.